In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thing called frequently bought together to drive more sales to your website and sell more items. Head to apps on the top left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Recommended apps, Shopify App Store. Alternatively, head to a new tab, search Shopify App Store or apps.shopify.com. After that, click on the search tab, click frequently bought together. You can just type this word and then based on the filters, choose what you're looking for. For example, the pricing I want to be free as I'm looking for a tool to just use for this tutorial. Look for the highly most reviewed. This one looks amazing. Click on view demo store so we can view an example. As you can see right here, here's what we're looking for. As you can see, frequently bought together, bike, this and this, and you can add directly to the cart. After this, head back, click on add app. You will be prompted with this page to actually install your app on the top right corner, and then you will be prompted with the other page to set your frequently bought together items. I'm going to show you at the end of the video how it looks like, so stick around. As you can see right here, here is the settings for the frequently. Click on next to install this, to set up the installation wizard. So I would like just two recommendations. Click next. I would like to just below the add cards, click next. Start with the app enabled, which I'm going to have to enable on the top left corner. It's currently enabled, and I can have some more settings. For example, visual preference. I can have it change and be different from what it is. For example, I can remove, let me choose this. I can remove this, I can add some stuff, I can have the variance different, and you guys get the idea. Go back. And now let me view my store. Head to online store. Click here, I'm gonna preview my store. And if I go down here, for example, I'm going to find multimedia colleges. I open a product, for example, it's gonna have the following. And yeah, to add each store frequently bought together, I'm gonna have to actually go ahead and do manual bundles. Click select product to bundle. Click select. And that's basically it. Now I have a bundle. Thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye.